Update: CrowdStrike shares plunge amid global cyber outage fallout. Day 4 summary. Similarly, the cybersecurity company's $83 billion clientele could not have anticipated the widespread outages and the infamous blue screen of death that grounded U.S. aircraft, halted trading, and disrupted broadcasters such as Sky News. This disruption underscores the vulnerability of a global IT infrastructure that prioritizes efficiency over stability. The issue originated from a defective update in CrowdStrike's Falcon sensor product, which CEO George Kurtz described as a defect found in a single content update. How long it would take to fully recover remains uncertain. Users on Reddit have discussed workarounds, such as rebooting machines in protected mode and manually removing the CrowdStrike file. This suggests that IT administrators might need to restart offline computers individually, which would be a significant challenge for organizations with extensive networks. The broader issue is the concentrated market share in the business-to-business software sector. According to research firm Canalys, CrowdStrike held 19% of the endpoint security market in the second quarter of 2023. High market concentration results from businesses preferring to work with single vendors for efficiency, leading to higher margins and competitive pricing. However, this also means that the failure of one company can disrupt significant portions of the global economy. CrowdStrike's incident affected 8.5 million Windows devices, grounding flights and canceling medical appointments. Despite quick fixes from IT staff, hackers exploited the confusion, setting up malicious websites offering bogus updates. Kurtz addressed these issues publicly, emphasizing CrowdStrike's commitment to resolving the disruptions. Shares of CrowdStrike dropped 13% following the incident. Over the weekend, images of affected Windows devices flooded social media, prompting further attention. Guggenheim Securities downgraded CrowdStrike's stock to neutral, suggesting the incident might slow down future contracts. Despite maintaining a buy rating, Goldman Sachs analysts anticipated delays in closing deals for the company's fiscal second quarter. Risks. As detailed in a regulatory filing, CrowdStrike has committed to thoroughly evaluating the event's impact on business and operations. This situation highlights the importance of robust cybersecurity measures and the risks of over-reliance on single vendors within critical IT infrastructures. Market impact. Shares of CrowdStrike plunged 13% on Monday, extending their losses after Wall Street analysts downgraded the stock due to concerns over the financial fallout from a global cyber outage. The disruption was caused by a faulty update to CrowdStrike's security software. The update crashed computers running Microsoft's Windows operating system and disrupted internet services across numerous industries, including airlines, banking, and healthcare. Microsoft reported that the issue affected approximately 8.5 million Windows devices, or less than 1% of all Windows machines. While analysts generally expect CrowdStrike to recover, given its industry-leading position, they noted potential reputational damage, a possible hit to new customer contracts, increased competition, and potential legal challenges. Guggenheim analysts further indicated that while the incident might not materially affect renewals in the short term, it could delay deal signings or cause losses in closely contested deals. In contrast, shares of rival SentinelOne, SN, surged 11% on Monday, with JP Morgan identifying it as a significant beneficiary of the widespread IT outage. Bernstein analyst Peter Weed highlighted the potential for legal battles once CrowdStrike's customers restore their systems. Services across affected industries began. Returning online later on Friday, firms were dealing with backlogs, delays, and canceled flights. This situation has raised questions about the reliance on a few companies for such critical software. CrowdStrike's shares were trading at $265.24 on Monday after an 11% drop on Friday. At least 6 brokerages reduced their price targets for CrowdStrike, with 2 downgrading the stock's rating from buy to neutral. JP Morgan analysts remarked that the globally disruptive nature of the event is likely to impact CrowdStrike's financial and operational performance, emphasizing that time spent on damage control detracts from time spent on sales efforts. Nothing in this report should be construed as financial advice. Hit the notification bell.